Right, hello everyone. It's all finished. All working at last. Got the rotary converter up there. The only thing I've got left to do for that is I've got some rubber feet coming to go under here. It's a little noisy at the moment, but because the vibration echoes through the wood and the shelf and everything, so but hopefully the rubber feet will damp it. Right, fuse box. We've got a 32 amp breaker going through an RCD and everything, and then it comes down to a 32 amp rotary switch. Goes through armour cable back to here. There's the main gubbins. Right. So it's a bit noisy at the moment, but once the rubber feet arrive, that should be fine. Then we come down here through turn the power on. I've got to get a new light for there. The light doesn't come on, so I'll have to do something with that. But there we go. Works perfect.